This is no longer to be called running water. It is no longer to be called running water. Because according to us humans, in order to run, you have to have legs. So it is to be called water that is moving. I'm just kicking and changing up intelligence. It is no longer to be called running water. It is water that is moving. Because it can't run backwards. So this is water that is moving. It's me again. Again, it's not running water. I think they might be able to run out over there. I see somebody trying to run. But this is moving water. See that leaf moving? Not running water. Because it doesn't go backward, it just goes one way. It's called moving water, not running water. I'm just saying. But there are no planets in the sky. They never did exist, never will. All glory and power to the land that I am clowning on and having a hell of a good time doing it. Much love to my beautiful girls and their parents and the superpower of the human race, the girl. And all glory and power to the land. Always end with the moving water, not running water. Where's the leaf?